there, business innovators. Ready to supercharge your productivity? Today, we're diving into Odoo Time Tracking, your ultimate tool for efficient time management. Let's get started. In today's fast-paced business world, time is money. Effective time management is the key to success. Enter Odoo Time Tracking, a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Odoo Time Tracking offers a centralized platform where employees and managers can monitor and optimize their time. Look how simple and intuitive it is. No need for extensive technical know-how. You can effortlessly log working hours, breaks, and tasks. No complicated training needed. But what makes Odoo Time Tracking stand out? It's the seamless integration with other Odoo modules. Imagine linking your time tracking with project management, accounting, and HR all in one place. See how you can correlate time spent on tasks with different business processes. This gives you invaluable insights into resource allocation and productivity. Odoo Time Tracking doesn't stop there. It offers advanced features for real-time activity tracking, automated reminders for breaks, and compliance with company policies and labor regulations. Real-time tracking ensures accuracy, while automated reminders keep everyone on schedule and compliant. Perfect for improving project planning and resource allocation. And let's talk about the reporting capabilities. Odoo Time Tracking provides detailed reports on employee productivity, project timelines, and overall time utilization. These reports help identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and make informed decisions to boost operational efficiency. So, if you're looking to streamline operations and enhance productivity, Odoo Time Tracking is your go-to solution. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.